Did you know that according to automotive service data from North America and Asia, over 25 to 35% of engine failures are linked to improper oil service procedures? Even more shocking, studies show that a significant number of these failures happen within just 1,000 miles after an oil change. That means the damage doesn't always come from old oil. It often comes from mistakes made after installing fresh oil. In Japan, where vehicles from brands like Toyota and Honda are regularly pushed beyond 300,000 to 500,000 miles, mechanics follow a strict post-oil change inspection routine that acts like a final safety shield for the engine. These are not complicated repairs, and skipping them can turn a simple oil change into a catastrophic engine seizure. Today, you're going to learn these Japanese inspection steps in deep detail, and why each one matters more than you think. Let's dive in. Step 1. Oil pressure verification check. One of the most critical moments after an oil change is the first engine startup, and Japanese technicians treat this moment with extreme caution. Studies show that up to 70% of engine wear occurs during startup, especially if oil has not fully circulated yet. After draining oil and replacing the filter, in Japan, mechanics closely monitor the oil pressure warning light and listen for any unusual ticking or knocking sounds during the first 10 to 15 seconds. They often use a technique where the ignition is turned on without starting the engine for a few seconds, allowing the fuel pump and electronics to activate before full ignition. This helps reduce dry friction. This step ensures that vital components like camshafts, bearings, and valve trains receive lubrication immediately. Skipping this step may not cause instant failure, but it creates microscopic wear that compounds over time and can eventually lead to catastrophic engine seizure. Step 2. Double gasket inspection. One of the most dangerous and surprisingly common oil change mistakes is the double gasket issue. Industry reports estimate that thousands of engines fail annually due to oil filter sealing errors, and the double gasket is one of the leading causes. This happens when the old oil filter gasket sticks to the engine block and a new filter is installed on top of it. In Japanese workshops, this is treated as a zero-tolerance error. Mechanics always inspect the filter mounting surface visually and physically, often wiping it clean before installing the new filter. This simple inspection step, which takes less than 15 seconds, can literally save your engine from total destruction. Step 3. Precise oil level calibration. Most drivers think checking oil level once is enough, but Japanese mechanics follow a multi-step calibration process to ensure absolute accuracy. According to automotive maintenance studies, overfilling or underfilling engine oil contributes to nearly 15% of lubrication-related failures. After filling the engine, Japanese technicians start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. This allows oil to circulate through the filter, galleries, and internal components. Then the engine is turned off and allowed to sit for a few minutes so the oil can settle. Only after this process is the oil level checked again using the dipstick. This precise calibration ensures optimal lubrication and long-term engine reliability. Step 4. Leak detection under load. A major mistake many mechanics make is checking for leaks only while the engine is idling. Studies suggest that a large percentage of post-service oil leaks are only detectable during or after driving. That's why in Japan, mechanics either revive the engine moderately or perform a short test drive after every oil change. Once the engine has been put under load, they re-inspect the drain plug, oil filter, and surrounding areas for leaks. This step is crucial because a slightly loose oil filter or drain bolt may not leak at idle, but can release oil rapidly once pressure builds. Step 5. Post-service recheck after first drive. One of the most powerful yet overlooked habits in Japanese car maintenance is the post-service recheck. Data suggests that a significant number of oil-related issues only become visible after the engine reaches full operating temperature. That's why Japanese drivers and technicians always perform a follow-up inspection after driving 10 to 20 kilometers. They recheck the oil level, inspect for leaks, and ensure everything is functioning correctly. This final inspection acts as a safety net, catching any hidden problems before they escalate into serious damage. It's a simple step that takes just a few minutes, but can prevent thousands of dollars in repair costs and extend engine life significantly. That's all for this video. So next time you change your oil, remember, It's not just about what you put into the engine. It's about what you check afterward.